Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Amber, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. Go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. I noticed you didn't have a website, so I thought this might be informative for you. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand that every time you type something into Google, you're actually typing keywords into Google. Google uses that to look for websites that best fit the search for what you just typed in there. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. And this is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Citations are referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, or phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it's highly recommended you build one. It directly connects your business to the citations and helps you rank in the map. That is how the map ranking comes about. Of course, we know the map here. Excuse me. And citations include directories from Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page of Google. So everything underneath the maps is where the rank structure begins to take place. Now, of course, you have advertisements, Yelp, and you have AAA, but websites with content and backlinks and keywords and SEO optimization, this is how these websites get ranked on the first page, and this is what increases your exposure. Let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. If they don't see what they're looking for, they just move on to something else. Now, I know that you don't have a website, so I chose Danny's Automotive for this particular reference. He's on the first page. This is his website, and I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs. And with this tool, I can see how strong his website is. I can see that he has 661 backlinks. I can see his referring domains, and I can see the keywords that he's using and the amount of traffic per month that are coming from these keywords. Let's take a look at keywords just so you can get an example, an idea. Now we're in Columbia, South Carolina. Aside from his name, understand it, this is the volume per month. So when you're looking at Audi repair near me 5,000 times a month, auto repair in Columbia, South Carolina, auto repair 300 mechanic, Columbia, South Carolina, mechanic in Columbia, South Carolina. So you start to get the idea. This is the amount of traffic that exposes your business to potential clients and customers. For another example, let's take a look at some referring domains, citations. Give a second for this here computer to catch up. Anything like I said, Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau. Not all citations and backlinks are created equal. You want a strong reference. So we have repairshopswebsite.com. This is a citation. It's strong. Not even sure how to say that. Topratedlocal.com. So all of these citations are obtainable. That's an idea for that, citations that you need. And of course, we have backlinks. We're having a slow process here. What are you doing? Backlinks. And of course, backlinks, not all of them are created equal. So you want ones with a strong domain rank. And these are endorsements from other websites to your website. And this is how Google starts to build trust in your business. These are strong. So with that, I hope you have a better idea of how content and backlinks and citations come together to start to outrank your competitors. It also shows Google that you are a trustworthy business, and it moves you up in the front page and gets you more exposure. Now, everybody wants exposure. That's increased because there's a lot of eyes. There's a lot of people there. There's a lot of potential customers for that. So with that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I hope that you can understand the value of having a well-built website is and how important it is. If you find yourself wanting any more info, I could reach out, find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business. And I just wanted to give you some insight. And I want to thank you for your time today and hope you have a good day.